Hey guys, just going over the last couple things on this truck here, getting ready to fire up for the first time. So if you haven't been watching the channel, this is a 91 Toyota pickup. Went through, did all suspension on it, and for the engine we got a TDI out of a 2000 Volkswagen Jetta. So it's a 1.9 liter turbo diesel. So just, yeah, I got it finished up and ready to fire it up. So let's see if it runs or if we got another 8 months of work ahead of us. Work of 8 months.
Yeah, I'd be nervous too.
And every system on this thing is custom, so a lot of things that could go wrong, but
Checking for codes.
yeah, just make sure we ain't got any codes before we fire it up.
Golden.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Alright, well,
You ready?
let's do it. Look at that! That's my cost weight. I forgot about that. Holy shit! What's up, Buster? Hell yeah. My throttle works. Weird, it sounds creepy, but that's the diesel, right? Well, that's my exhaust weight. Oh. Right out of the manifold, yeah.
God damn. What do you think, bro?
Insane, dude.
Yeah, I think it runs smooth.
I didn't think it would run that smooth. We've still got to adjust the timing, the pump timing and the IQ for that fuel on the pump. It's all been replaced and tuned.
Damn, dude, he's pumping.
I just want to check it.
Sounds good too.
Check it all out. Let's check that oil again. Thermostat's working. We need a bit of oil. That's to be expected. Look at that fine piece. That feels like oil though.
Just one drip.
Yeah. Okay. Looks like my turbo feed line's leaking a little bit. It wasn't hair loose. Feed line. Yeah, the feed line for the turbo. Got a drip coming off it. We have a leak. Easy.
Shoot. Yeah.
Couldn't ask for an easier fix. Or easier first
Oil sender? Or are you talking about like?
Yeah, the sending unit, that big round thing on top of that plate.
Yeah.
Dripping right onto the banjo or the turbo piece.
Oh.
Definitely wasn't tight. There's so many freaking bolts on this thing. Putting it together, you're bound to lose one.
Don't forget something.
All right.
You like it? Is that cool?
Is that cool? Daddy's truck's running.
Is that cool?
She's like, I just want to ride. I just want to ride. What's next?
Button up his wiring.
Yeah.
Get that. Get the last couple of gauges and lights wired into the dash. set timing IQ on the pump. I'll then obviously get the drive line in. What else do I got to do to drive it? Drive line, brakes. I need to bleed again. I need to tighten up my wheels.
Oh, that's kind of important.
Little stuff. But literally, I could put the drive line in, put the wheels on, or tighten up, and then drive. But I don't want to drive it with freaking wiring hanging out the hood.
Yeah.
Or melting on things else.
Sweet. Yeah, wasn't too bad. A little oil leak, a little fine
Easy
tuning.
fix. Glad that's all it was. One tiny leak took a 10 seconds and a wrench and fixed.
Yeah, could be way worse.
Which kind of skeptical of it because this entire oil system isn't factory, you know. Which thermostat's working. These lines are so cold. These are warm.
So does that turn on at a certain temp, obviously?
Yeah, the thermostat opens at 185, and it actually still flows like 5 or 10% of oil through the cooler when it's closed, just to keep oil flowing through there. But yeah, it opens at 185, I think.
Yeah,
So it's
well,
obviously
that seems pretty
working.
good.
Both the lines are hot, both these are cold.
Yeah. Wow.
So yeah, once I get my temp gauge in, then I can see, make sure it's actually opening at the right temperature. But
First drive.
first try. Moving, boys. Alright, we got problems, boys. So the CCV vent that I put into my exhaust, I think that fitting just doesn't have enough angle. It's kind of like, well, I already cut this up, but it's not even at a 45, and I think most people put them at way more of an angle. So what I'm going to try, it's pushing exhaust through here, and it's supposed to be creating vacuum. So what I'm going to try is I'm going to tack this piece on here so it's at more of an angle. If I can get that in the exhaust, it'll basically sit like that, and I'm gonna see if that'll help out. So I'm gonna tack that on real quick and we'll try it out. Alright guys, so let me know if you got any ideas. This still didn't work. I welded that on at an angle, so essentially this will be sitting more of an angle like that in the exhaust. And it's still pushing the exhaust out. It's not creating any sort of vacuum. I think I'm gonna try one more time with a little bit more angle and see if that helps, because a lot of the ones I see other people do have quite a bit more angle than that. But yeah, let me know if you guys have done this and what you did for it. So yeah, this thing runs. So now it's just a matter of, I'm going to tidy up all this harness. A lot of it I got to shorten. And then we got to wire in a few gauges, or not necessarily gauges, but lights. We got a check engine light, coolant. I just plugged it in there, and that's actually working. Oil pressure is working. What else do I got? Voltmeter works, and obviously the fuel gauge works too. So I got to wire in the check engine, the tach. I actually bought a converter for the tach, so we're going to try that out, and then the glow plug light. So stay tuned. I will make a video of getting that tach and everything set up, and all these lights set up. So stay tuned, guys.